Today's bearish engulfing dump, we did actually hold the 618, which is positive, flipping this resistance into support. So you've put in this higher low for the expectation of trend continuation in an uptrend. But just because it sounds as simple as that, it's not. We need to scale down to the lower time frames for a clearer picture of what's happening here and now. We'll look at that right now for you on the 15-minute time frame. But yeah, as long as we are above this green box, which is acting as support or demand, it's also our golden pocket. So over here, we were rejecting it. Technically, after a big push down, you retrace into the golden pocket to continue lower. What we're seeing right now is the potential reversal wave. What we need to see going forward is confirming this green box of support. We've done it yesterday with yesterday's candle close, but going forward we cannot close below the 0.5, and we can see the 55 moving average down there about 2 cents. So going forward we can't be losing 2 cents, otherwise this was all a bull trap and we're continuing lower. For this to be the reversal wave, we need to go ahead and take out this 200 moving average. So guys, as long as we're below it, there is that risk of downtrend continuation. Understand that. That's what the fibs are here to tell us. So now when we scale over to the lower time frames, we're going to get a clearer angle of this range that we see ourselves in. So over here we had this big push up, and that's our top. So we're running into the golden pocket. I'm going to bring out a new golden pocket as well on top of this one, and you'll see it's telling us that this area is a key area and that we should be focused on this area, and that should hold a support if we want continuation up. So I will get rid of this for now, because all it's saying is as long as we're above this gold box, we want to reverse and actually break the high. We just explained that on the daily time frame. But now if I take a look at this Fibonacci, you can see, look where the golden pocket is. It's exactly in the same location. So if I were to do that, it's just saying don't lose this big box, and we should continue upwards. But yeah, let's make it a little bit smaller. Get rid of that. If you want continuation to 2.5 cent, nice psychological level, then remain above this wick, 2238. Stay above 2238, which we are. You can see that we lost it, the 786, and we reclaimed it and held it as support. That is beautiful in itself. Now we have had some fundamental news event. It is going insane, the reaction. It's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up. So you can decide what you want to do with that. But yeah, it's just telling me indecision in the market right now. The Nasdaq, the Dow, it's not looking very clear. So equally, this fundamental news event just means stay away from trading today. I did, luckily enough, already place some trades on the Nasdaq earlier today before the fundamental news event, so I did manage to profit from some shorts before it turned around and flipped bullish. But yeah, since this news event, not much has been going on with the cryptos. Actually, it came out about, I think it was about 2:30 or somewhere about there. But yeah, you can see up and then down, so not as much volatility on the cryptos, but very volatile moments on the indices. But yeah, looking at VeChain, this is your low, this is your higher low. So we're trying to now continue up. What we're doing here is very negative. We need to put in a higher low now. We need to hold this, because I don't like that lower high. This is lower than that in a previous resistance. Can you see that? This is not a good signal right now for the bulls out there on the lower time frames. Because we're on the lower time frames, we can easily invalidate this. Don't you worry. So don't lose this 2294 on the lower time frames. And if you want to see continuation, we now need to break above that wick that we said, 2336. And as you can see, it's going to show us this is the golden pocket. So can you see that we're running into that golden pocket? So what we need to do now is hold that and try and head higher, because at the moment this is still potential dead cat bounce to head to new lows. Understand that. Use your fibs from here to there. It'll give us some targets. Even our lowest target is not that much further down. So I'm focused on this, which is what I said when we zoomed out. We can't lose this wick, 2238. Can't lose that at all costs. And as long as we remain above that, we've got chances of creating this reversal wave and doing something like this. Okay, this is what I want to see going forward. But I'm prepared for you. If you lose that, coming back down to the lows, we cannot lose this wick. If we lose this wick, we're going back down towards the 236 and the 0 fib. but there could still be a chance of reclaiming it. It's just that would be the next move. Equally, if we reclaim it, amazing. That's so bullish. It means the move down was fake. Now let's continue back up. So just be prepared. Even if we do go down, you can reclaim it all. We need to wait for clear loss of the zero for continuation back down. You could just take a short from once that is lost to like the 382 to the 236. There's no guarantees that it can keep continuing. It could bounce at any of those. So that's why what I'm looking for at the moment, I'm focused on this area. But with the fundamental news event, I'm not trading. I've already traded today. I've already won 2 trades today. Well, it was just 1 trade, 2 positions, one with more leverage than the other. Yeah, this is interesting. Look at that reversal during the lesson. Look, so the beginning of this lesson, at the beginning of the video, bearish. Now it's quickly flipping before in the last 30 seconds. Take this out and we're clear and we're onwards and upwards to the 1 fib level, trying to head higher to these targets. Okay, going forward, we need to hold that low, and as long as we hold this low, we're going to see price at 2435 cent. Thank you guys so much. This is how we actually get up to that massive gold zone on the daily time frame, which we said. Oh no, that was a different video. But yeah, this is our... No, this is correct. It's correct. So yeah, this is our gold zone with the 200 EMA is. And that's what we need to break above to head to these higher prices, 2.8 cent. Thank you guys so much. Do like, subscribe, and comment, as I did lose my Twitter over the weekend. But no worries, I made a new one, Louis Vibes _ It's just a separate Twitter. But yeah, you can contact me there for the course or the mentorship, which is currently discounted this week only to £100 for the course and £500 for the mentorship. Please do message me over on my Twitter, Louis Vibes _ The link is down below. And message me before the end of the weekend for these prices. Thank you.